far this morning. We've got a lot of cloud cover.
Need a big coat today, Paul.
You do. You need to bundle up because the temperatures are chilly, but the wind chill is something to contend with this morning. We're not seeing anything falling out of these clouds, and actually without the clouds, we'd be even colder this morning. Cloud cover this time of year, well, any time of year, it's an insulating factor at night. When clouds are overhead during the nighttime and early morning hours, it keeps our temperatures a little bit warmer, and so without these clouds, our temperatures, instead of in the 30s this morning, would be in the 20s. But again, there's nothing falling out of those clouds. The nearest snow showers way up to our north, way off to our northeast. Decent snowfall rates here in eastern Kentucky up into the mountains of West Virginia. They're going to pick up a couple inches of accumulation, but all of this is going to avoid us. Let's check out those wintry temperatures for the first morning of the first work week of the new year. 33 degrees in Nashville is one of the warmer spots around the entire midstate. In fact, is the warm spot on this particular map. 28 degrees in Tullahoma and Paris, a couple of the chilly spots, but again, the air temperature is one thing. The wind is around 10 miles an hour, and that's enough to make it feel colder. That's why you need to bundle up. If you don't have a number by your location, it means that the wind has calmed down to less than 5 miles an hour, and that's not strong enough to produce much of a difference between the air temperature and the wind chill. But it does feel like 25 degrees right now in Nashville, 19 degrees. It feels like temperature in Paris and in Tullahoma. And the wind chill at best this afternoon is only going to warm up to around freezing. So it is going to be chilly all day. The coldest this cold snap is actually off to our northeast. They're going to be seeing some sub-zero readings here in the northeastern U.S. So at least that is missing us, but a wide area below average temperatures for today and again for tomorrow. The coldest night is going to be tonight into early tomorrow morning because eventually we're going to get rid of the clouds. That's going to happen gradually this afternoon. We will finish clearing out this evening. No clouds out there tomorrow morning to hold any warmth near the ground. Not that there's much warmth to hold near the ground in the first place. But then we'll see a lot of sunshine tomorrow. We'll bounce back up to the mid-40s, around 50 degrees on Wednesday. A few clouds Wednesday, but no big deal there. The bulk of the cloud cover is going to be hanging out to our west and southwest until Thursday. Then it starts to sneak back up towards us, but limited chances of very light showers on Thursday. The better chance of rain is going to be moving up towards us by the time Thursday night into Friday rolls around. That's not going to usher in any cold air. In fact, temperatures are still going to be warm Friday and Saturday. Another round of rain is looking pretty likely Saturday night into early Sunday, and that's going to be followed up very quickly by some substantially colder air. Check out the bitter cold air headed into the middle of the country by Sunday, a week from yesterday. We're talking about high temperatures below zero for the upper Midwest, including looks like around zero for the kickoff of the playoff game in Minneapolis on Sunday. So if you want to look forward to watching that one, whew, that is going to be awfully chilly. Now, our temperatures aren't going to be that cold. This is going to move in our direction eventually, below average temperatures likely next week. If that cold air catches up to the last of the rain showers, Saturday night into early Sunday, we could be talking about a few snowflakes mixed in with the raindrops, but it's a long way off at this point. We'll show you the 7-day forecast one more time in just a few minutes. Dog walking forecast is more of a dog nesting forecast for today because of the chilly temperatures and chillier wind chills. Temperatures mid-30s at noon, mid-30s still by 5 o'clock this evening with the wind chill in the upper 20s. So do bundle up just a little bit.
Did you stage that picture or is that just a natural shot of her?
It's a resting station.